Torrent is best.
Using torrent is a part of our lives.
3 years imprisonment plus 3 lakhs fine. This is totally unfair.
So I don't know what's the problem.
This kind of a ban is actually not a bad idea.
That's pretty awful. According to me, if you're raising such kind of bans, so you should also decrease the amount of, how much tax you put over the CDs and everything.
As a consumer of this content, while I would like to get to view certain things for free, as producers of this content, they also have a right to get a share in the revenue.
Last night, the last episode of Game of Thrones got released, and I really want to watch that. But if the government is banning torrent, sending me 3 years to the jail, I don't agree with that.
I don't understand the problem here.
I don't think there is any harm in using the torrent.
I'm 16, so I'm not really sure how the law is going to apply to me.
But the way they have banned it,
Is it 3 and 3 for me also? Or is it like 3 and 3 for me as well as my family?
There should be a better law to deal with such situations.
It is quite bad. Most of people are actually dependent on torrent for everything. According to me, that is not any criminal activity or anything. Most of the hackers will try to crack it.
I have no clue about this law and I open it by mistake. Then what?
It's not right.
It is nice as well. But is this the way?
People who are into cyber crime should be dealt with a better way rather than just banning the site for the common citizens of the country.
While it is simple and easy,
Torrent files are combined with malicious scripts which affect the PC.
People have to go such a long way to buy these stuff, and if you are getting them straight away at home, why do we have to give a fine of 3 lakhs and such a long time in jail? It's not exactly a very big crime.
Like it happened to the pawn ban, like it was only for 2 or 3 days. I feel like India एक तो जुगाड़ तो हो ही जाएगा.
And I hope this can lead to some kind of a consolidation where if I can get online content for 0 rupees and if I can get an original version for 1000 rupees, I may not actually go for that.
I'm a college student. I don't have enough money to spend, buy original CDs or, spend money on TV shows.
Please lower down the prices of internet as well as the CDs as well so that we can easily enjoy and chill, we need to chill.